Hello everyone. I hope everyone's staying safe. Myself, Lakshmi Sri, studying family, student of Virendra Kumar sir. To all the selfless workers who are working tirelessly, masking their families and kids to save our lives during this pandemic, I wish a very happy National Doctors Day. Today, I am going to discuss a few points regarding the mental health of doctors during this COVID-19 pandemic. Doctors experience a high level of work stress even under normal circumstances, but many could suffer with mental health disturbances or seek help for them. The COVID-19 disease place an additional pressure on the doctors and healthcare systems. In general, the researchers shows that such pressures brings a greater risk of psychological distress for doctors. A strong leadership and support for the doctors and their families during this COVID-19 outbreak would be helpful. The reasons for this psychological distress for doctors include work-related stress, social isolation, and also many doctors find difficult to tell about their mental conditions to the employees or their colleagues. This leads to suicidal ideation. Suicidal ideation can present in doctors, particularly in case of strong fear of stigmatization, which also includes professional failure, feeling of shame, and associated worries about fitness and practice, license to restrict. The pressures of needing to maintain high quality healthcare profession during the pandemic. Having to balance their own safety with the needs of patients, family, employees within the limited resources, this leads to disturbing the ethical dilemmas for the doctors and potentially moral injury. Now, we are going to discuss about managing the stress for the doctors at the organization level during the outbreak. Support to these employees, physicians, nurses could be very effective in this pandemic. The supports include like care for the ill doctors and nurses, medical and financial support to their families, protection from the malpractice threats. In order to get rid of this psychological distress, they are having mental outcomes which include open communication and reduce psychological vulnerability. This includes expanding the knowledge and positive behavior change. For example, trauma risk management program and mental health first aid. Now, I am going to discuss about stress management at the individual level. Due to this psychological distress, the doctors are physically and mentally get exhausted during the pandemic conditions. Some of the factors that causing stress physically and mentally are mounting deaths, low pay, long hours of working, high risk of contracting with COVID-19 people, and lack of resources. And also other factors include negative automatic cognitions, which are one of the major triggering factors for stress reactions and suicidal ideation. In order to get rid of these negative automatic cognitions, mindfulness interventions would be helpful. These mindfulness interventions helpful for recognizing the negative thoughts, and also it is helpful in overcome the emotions and the behavior. Some of the individual level interventions which are thought to be helpful for burnout should be practiced, such as cognitive behavioral techniques, relaxation techniques, meditation, development of interpersonal skills, development of knowledge, work-related skills, proper recognition, and also appreciation for their work. Practicing the online courses of mindfulness interventions will be very helpful for the doctors during the pandemic. So hereby I conclude that mental health of the doctors during this COVID-19 pandemic condition can be done by setting up and supportive network with psychiatrists with the main aim of supporting physicians during the COVID-19 pandemic condition. Sharing and support for colleagues with psychological distress might improve seeking behavior and attitude. Mindfulness intervention techniques is one of the viable techniques for the stress reduction. The above which we are discussed are certain techniques which are useful for the doctors at organization level or at individual level to get rid of the stress during the COVID-19 outbreak. Last but not the least, doctors are one of the most important inspiring figures of the society and their efforts should be celebrated every day. The doctor's message to the society: we stay at work for you, you stay at home for us. Thank you.